Welcome back to the channel, Bike Rider. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most iconic touring motorcycles on the market, the 2025 Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. This motorcycle combines luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology to create the ultimate touring experience. Let's break down what makes the 2025 model stand out. Design and comfort. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Goldwing Tour DCT maintains the sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that has made the Goldwing a favorite among long-distance riders. With refined lines and a comfortable adjustable seat, this bike is built for hours of cruising in comfort. Honda has used high-quality materials to ensure that every detail, from the body panels to the chrome accents, exudes luxury. The Goldwing Tour comes equipped with a spacious and ergonomically designed passenger seat, heated grips, and a fully adjustable rear suspension. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, comfort is a top priority here. Performance and powertrain. Now, let's get into performance. The 2025 Goldwing Tour is powered by a 1,833cc six-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent power, making it perfect for long highway journeys. What sets this model apart is the inclusion of Honda's dual-clutch transmission (DCT) system. The DCT allows for effortless shifting without the need for a traditional clutch lever. This makes riding more intuitive, especially in stop-and-go traffic, while also improving overall comfort on long rides. The engine produces impressive torque, providing excellent acceleration and highway cruising speeds without breaking a sweat. Whether you're tackling mountain roads or cruising along the coast, the Goldwing Tour DCT has the power to handle it all. Technology and features. The 2025 Goldwing Tour DCT comes loaded with high-tech features. The 7-inch full-color TFT display is your command center, giving you access to navigation, media, and bike settings all in one easy-to-read screen. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, so you can sync your smartphone for hands-free calls, music, and more. Honda has also included a suite of advanced safety features like traction control, ABS brakes, and Honda's collision mitigation system, which adds an extra layer of security when you're on the road. Ride and handling. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Goldwing Tour DCT shines. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system, this bike is surprisingly nimble for its size. The electronically adjustable suspension ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising down a perfectly paved highway or navigating twisty mountain roads. Plus, with the DCT, shifting is incredibly smooth, making for a stress-free ride even during longer trips. Conclusion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment down below if you're a fan of the Goldwing or if you'd like to see any more motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.